Hello, this is Courtney with Frederick. I'm not sure if you can see him, but he's down here at my feet. And we're here to teach you the Gayatri Mantra today. So if you're not familiar with the Gayatri Mantra, it's probably, if you've listened to any sort of recording of chanting in the yoga tradition, it is generally included in that. It's very popular. And I think that it's very popular because it's quite easy to connect to. Essentially, this mantra is about connecting to our deepest selves or to our true selves to help dispel darkness, or in the yoga world known as avidya or ignorance, and to step into light, or to step into love and compassion and kindness. So the one rough translation, and this comes from one of my teachers, is Om, earth, sky, and space. So this area that we occupy as humans, our feet are on the ground and our heads are in space, and we occupy all of the elements in between and stand somewhere between earth and the heavens, or earth and the astral realm, or however you like to think of that. Let us reflect on the most excellent light of that radiant creator who may help us move from darkness to light. So we'll chant a few times. I'll leave a little room for call and response the first time through, and then maybe the second time through, and then we'll just chant all together. And then we'll end just seated for a moment. Be nice. Oh, Freddie's over it now. Okay. So however you like to sit, just make sure you can sit up nice and tall so your lungs can fill. And you don't need to swing for the rafters with chanting. You can definitely just chant lightly, softly to yourself if that helps you to connect. So really however you like to do it. All right? So you can allow your eyes to close. Bhur, Bhuvah, su-vaha. Savitur, Varenyam. Bhargo, Devasya, Dhimahi. Dhiyo, Prachodayat. Bhur, Bhuvah, su-vaha. Savitur, Varenyam. Bhargo, Devasya, Dhimahi. Dhiyo, Prachodayat. So let's try it all together. Bhur, Bhuvah, su-vaha. Savitur, Varenyam. Bhargo, Devasya, Dhimahi. Dhiyo, Prachodayat. Bhur, Bhuvah, su-vaha. Savitur, Varenyam. Bhargo, Devasya, Dhimahi. Dhiyo, Prachodayat. Bhur, Bhuvah, su-vaha. Savitur, Varenyam. Bhargo, Devasya, Dhimahi. Dhiyo, Prachodayat. Let's go one more time. Bhur, Bhuvah, su-vaha. Savitur, Varenyam. Bhargo, Devasya, Dhimahi. Dhiyo, Prachodayat. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you so much for chanting the Gayatri Mantra with me. I hope you enjoyed, and please let me know if you have any questions.